Welcome back to Fitness Tips, where we share practical ways to take care of your body so you can live a healthier, stronger life. Today, we're going to talk about something that many people struggle with but don't often discuss openly. I'm talking about your gut. The truth is, your gut health plays a huge role in your overall well-being. It affects not just digestion, but also your energy levels, your mood, your skin, and even your immune system. That's why in this video, we're going to dive into how you can heal your gut naturally, with remedies that are simple, safe, and actually work. Now, before we get started, let me ask you a few questions. Do you often feel bloated even when you haven't overeaten? Do you deal with constipation, diarrhea, or that uncomfortable mix of both? Do you get random skin breakouts, feel anxious for no reason, or have trouble sleeping? If you said yes to any of those, your gut may be crying out for help. And the good news is, you don't always need medications or expensive treatments to improve it. Small changes in your daily habits and diet can completely transform your gut health. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps you can start taking today to heal your gut naturally. The power of probiotics. One of the first and most powerful ways to heal your gut is to add probiotics to your routine. Probiotics are live bacteria that support the healthy microbes already living inside your digestive system. Think of them as reinforcements for the good bacteria your gut desperately needs. When the balance of good and bad bacteria gets thrown off, your digestion suffers, your immunity weakens, and inflammation spreads throughout your body. Probiotics restore that balance. You don't always need a supplement to get them. You can find probiotics in foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and miso. Eating these regularly can help calm inflammation, reduce bloating, and even regulate bowel movements. Imagine going from constant discomfort to smooth, regular digestion just by adding a little fermented food to your meals. That's the power of probiotics. And if you're someone who's been on antibiotics recently, probiotics become even more important because antibiotics wipe out the good bacteria along with the bad. Healing with prebiotics. Now let's talk about prebiotics. If probiotics are the soldiers, then prebiotics are the food that keeps those soldiers strong. Prebiotics are fibers found in foods like garlic, onions, bananas, asparagus, and oats. Your body doesn't digest them, but your gut bacteria does. When your good bacteria feed on prebiotics, they produce short-chain fatty acids that nourish the cells lining your gut. This not only strengthens your digestive tract but also reduces inflammation and keeps your immune system sharp. So here's a question for you. Have you been eating enough fiber? Most people don't. In fact, studies show that the majority of us get less than half the daily recommended amount. But when you start adding prebiotic-rich foods to your plate, you'll notice improvements not just in digestion but also in how energetic and focused you feel. This is because a healthy gut fuels your entire body. The importance of hydration. Here's another simple but often overlooked remedy: drinking enough water. You might not connect hydration with gut health, but water is absolutely essential for keeping digestion running smoothly. When you're dehydrated, food moves slowly through your intestines, which leads to constipation and discomfort. On the other hand, when you're well hydrated, water helps break down food, dissolve nutrients, and carry waste out of your system. The next time you're feeling bloated, before you reach for medicine, try drinking 2 full glasses of water and wait 15 minutes. You'll be surprised how often dehydration is the hidden culprit. For optimal gut health, aim to sip water throughout the day instead of chugging it all at once. Herbal teas like ginger or peppermint tea can also be soothing and supportive for your digestive system. Healing through sleep. Most people don't realize how strongly sleep affects gut health. When you don't get enough rest, your stress hormones spike, your digestive system slows down, and your gut bacteria become imbalanced. Poor sleep has been linked to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, acid reflux, and even leaky gut. Getting 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night allows your gut to repair itself and maintain balance. Try to keep a consistent sleep routine, dim the lights an hour before bed, and avoid screens. If you struggle to fall asleep, magnesium-rich foods like almonds or a calming tea before bedtime can help. The takeaway here is simple: good sleep equals a healthier gut. Stress and your gut connection. Now let's talk about something we all deal with but often ignore: stress. Have you ever noticed your stomach acting up when you're anxious or upset? That's because your gut and brain are directly connected through what's called the gut-brain axis. Stress can trigger bloating, cramps, or diarrhea. It can even cause beneficial bacteria in your gut to die off. Healing your gut isn't just about what you eat, it's also about how you live. Simple stress management practices like deep breathing, meditation, walking in nature, or even journaling can make a dramatic difference in your digestion. When your mind is calm, your gut follows. Cutting back on processed foods. Another natural remedy for healing your gut is reducing or eliminating processed foods. These are loaded with refined sugars, unhealthy fats, and additives that irritate your gut lining and feed harmful bacteria. If your diet is filled with fast food, packaged snacks, and sugary drinks, you're creating the perfect environment for gut problems. Instead, focus on whole, natural foods, fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats like olive oil or avocados. Your gut bacteria thrive on real food, not chemicals. Within weeks of shifting your diet, you'll notice less bloating, clearer skin, better energy, and improved digestion. The role of bone broth. Bone broth is one of those ancient remedies that modern science is now proving to be incredibly beneficial for gut health. It's rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals that help repair the lining of your intestines. If you've ever heard of leaky gut, where toxins leak into the bloodstream due to tiny gaps in the intestinal lining, bone broth is one of the best foods to help heal that. Drinking a warm cup of bone broth daily can soothe inflammation, support healthy digestion, and even improve joint health and skin elasticity. You can make it at home by simmering bones with vegetables and herbs for several hours, or you can buy ready-made versions from health stores. Did you know that your gut health improves when you move your body? Exercise doesn't just strengthen muscles, it also strengthens digestion. Regular movement increases blood flow to your gut, supports healthy bowel movements, and even improves the diversity of bacteria in your microbiome. You don't need extreme workouts to get these benefits. Simple activities like walking after meals, gentle yoga, or light strength training can all help regulate digestion. Next time you feel sluggish after eating, try a 15-minute walk instead of lying down. Your gut will thank you. Herbs that heal. Herbs have been used for centuries to support digestion, and many of them are backed by science. Ginger, for example, speeds up the emptying of your stomach, which helps reduce bloating and nausea. Peppermint relaxes the muscles of your digestive tract, easing cramps and indigestion. Chamomile calms both the gut and the mind, making it perfect for people whose digestion is affected by stress. Adding herbal teas or small amounts of these herbs to your meals is a gentle and effective way to heal your gut naturally. And the best part? They're inexpensive and widely available. Let's talk about something you might not expect. Did you know your skin reflects your gut health? Acne, eczema, and even premature wrinkles can be signs of poor digestion or gut imbalance. That's because when your gut lining is inflamed or leaking toxins, it shows up on your skin. Healing your gut often clears up skin issues without the need for harsh creams or medications. If you've been struggling with stubborn skin problems, try focusing on your gut first. You may be surprised at how much your skin improves once your digestion is in balance. So let's put it all together. Healing your gut naturally isn't about one quick fix, it's about creating a lifestyle that supports your digestive system day after day. Probiotics and prebiotics, hydration, sleep, stress management, whole foods, bone broth, herbs, and movement all work together to create a strong, balanced gut. Remember, your gut health influences almost every aspect of your life: your mood, your energy, your skin, and even your long-term disease risk. By making small, consistent changes, you can experience major improvements in how you feel every day. Before we wrap up, let me ask you one last question. If your gut health affects so much of your life, why not start taking care of it today? Think about which of these remedies you can begin with right now. Maybe it's adding a probiotic-rich food to your next meal, drinking more water, or committing to a regular sleep schedule. Even one step can set you on the path to healing. Thanks for watching Fitness Tips. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more content on how to keep your body healthy naturally. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of you.